Welcome everyone to Math 204. I'm Professor Marty Romero, Mathematics for Elementary School Teachers. This video is going to introduce you to our Canvas course and important content for you guys to be thinking about as the semester begins next Monday, August 26th. The first thing I want to make sure you're aware of, again, that this is a hybrid class, meaning that we only meet on these Tuesdays from 6 to 9 p.m. So it's an online learning environment / face-to-face meetings. So it's going to require that you do videos online at home. And these are videos that I've created. You'll be taking notes and then using those to answer questions. And then when we get together in class, we'll be doing mathematics and talking about the material that you were learning online. And so once you log in, you're going to get to the Canvas course, all our materials here. I think most important to know is that you're going to want to take a look at the syllabus. You got to get into the syllabus as soon as possible to look at the material. And so I've posted the full syllabus here, which will take a little bit of time to look at, and then the calendar, which is also important. So looking at the syllabus here, it provides you all the necessary and important information, especially the different types of assignments that we have available, textbook and written homework. I'll talk about what that textbook is. There's online homework. You will need to have access to the Wiley Plus system that comes with the textbook purchase. And we have assignments online. We have online discussion boards. And then we have assignments, Canvas assignments, where you're going to be doing math or reading about math and answering some questions. There's also what we call flipped assignments. Those are the video assignments where you will learn the material. I'll show you again where that is. We have learn checks. They're online. They're like quizzes, but they'll be done online, and we'll talk more about that as we get there, but go ahead and read that. There is also a second book in addition to our textbook called Math Mindsets that you'll be reading, and we'll be posting on that. Let me show you the two books that we have. This is the math textbook here. This is the Musser Mathematics for Elementary School Teachers. This needs to come with the Wiley Plus. And then the second book, it's a reading book, Mathematical Mindsets by Joel Bowler. And so you want to get those two as soon as you can. Keep in mind then, once you go through the syllabus, it's important to realize for this class there are two first day assignments here that I've sent in this announcement that need to be done by the 26th, Monday, the August 26th, otherwise you'll be dropped from the class. But again, be mindful of that. And then you have here, you have, in addition to that, you have, let me get over there again. In addition to that, you have other assignments due during the week that you want to be paying attention to. There we go. Sorry, I lost that page. Of those different assignments coming up. But again, those will be found in the calendar. Also, they'll be found in the modules. And so once you get to the modules, after you go through the syllabus, this is where you're going to find, again, more course information, about, again, the syllabus. The calendar shows you the entire semester when assignments are due. You also will have a section for lectures and lecture notes. I give you the PowerPoint and then the notes that you'll be taking along with that. That becomes very important in the learning process. You have discussion boards. We'll talk more about that. And then these are the flipped assignments. These are where you're going to, I'll show you what one looks like. You'll click on that. And then when you get in there, you'll have the videos, the lesson videos, and the lesson videos go along with the notes. And so you want to you use those and then you answer some questions. So they're short questions related to the lecture. And again, keep in mind, there are notes that you're going to be taking. And so, for example, looking at the lecture notes here, you will see the first set. And then the videos go along with these notes here. And these are the notes that go along with the textbook and the PowerPoint. So that's how you'll be learning material in this class, in addition to coming to class. Another thing you want to pay attention to is the course is organized by chapters and modules. So in addition to all the assignments that have been posted, here are the online assignments here and the written textbook assignments. They're by modules, and so notice you have the module 0, module 1, module 2, and notice how they're set up. Module 0, you have those assignments that are due the first 2 days, and then the one that's due the next assignment that's due here, the math autobiography. But if you pay attention to the modules, you have your learning objectives, an introduction. The lecture notes are also here, and the PowerPoint, so you have access there. And then you also then have the flipped assignments are posted here, so you know what you need to complete, by when, and then the online homework associated with the textbook homework and any other assignments. So just be mindful of that and start going through this material as soon as possible. I'm going to be sending you more updates, more information about the class, but I wanted to make sure you guys are up and running and getting started. I look forward to working with you guys, and I'll be in touch soon.